Alright. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm doing a get ready with me. This is gonna be like the second installment of my Subculture situation. My 1 month, 1 palette review. Now I'm filming this in the middle of July. It's currently the 14th of July, but you guys are gonna see this in like August. So basically tonight I am getting ready to go to the NYX Face Awards. My good girlfriend Tanya is coming to pick me up, and then we are meeting Crystal, Shanae, and then we are also meeting Kat and Haley at the door, and I can't wait. I'm gonna do a vlog as well, so I'll take you guys with me. I'm gonna start by using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. It's a primer and moisturizer in one. I don't know, this is the first time I'm using it, so. Oh wow, that is so runny. Oh wow, that is really, really moisturizing. Wow, that spread really, really well. I only used like 2 pumps of that, and my skin feels so hydrated as well, so that's gorgeous. Okay, so I'm gonna let that sit and soak into my skin, and I'm gonna move on to eyes. So for those who are unaware, I was actually in the Face Awards last year in 2017. It was the first ever Face Awards for the Australia and New Zealand category. New Zealand's actually got their own Face Awards, like it's no longer joint with Australia. Yeah, I was in the Face Awards last year. I got to the top 6, which is really, really cool. And I've had quite a few people ask me if I would do it again. Personally, no, but that's just because I was happy with where I got to last year. Making it to the top 6 honestly was like the goal for me, and I got to the top 6, so I don't really feel a need to enter back in, but at the same time it was such a fun experience, and I'm being as genuine as I possibly can. Like, it really was so fun to come up with these ideas really quickly and put them into action, and like the amount of videos and content that I created in such a short amount of time was really, really cool to see that I could do, if that makes sense. And you don't need to be like the best at filming and editing and stuff like that. Literally just like use what you've already got, do you know what I mean? But I guess this is like no longer going to be relevant because like I'm filming this before the Face Awards is over, and the Face Awards is going to be over by the time you guys see this video. So anyway, I'm praying that this look comes out okay, because if it doesn't, I'm like a fucking fool at the Face Awards, and don't want that to happen. I'm really scared. I think I want to go in with Destiny and some of these other like bluey green shades. I don't know. And then for all over the lid, I was thinking of doing like a silver glitter, like one of the Steeler glitters that I own. I'm gonna dip into Untamed, which is this shade here, tapping off majority of that product because this is so pigmented. Oh fuck, it's working. Okay, damn. I'm just going in with that same shade just to kind of deepen everything up. That was so ballsy of me because that could have gone fucked so quickly. And I'm gonna cut the crease as well, so like I'm not really fussed if it looks unneat. I just want it to look blended. I'm gonna take that first brush that we used to set our base down, and I'm gonna dip into, do I want to dip into New Wave or Edge? Edge might work better. Alright, I'm gonna dip into Edge. Alright, I'm gonna dip back into Untamed. I'm just gonna dust off that first blending brush that we used. I'm just gonna use it to blend out these edges a little bit. Alright, I'm just looking into the mirror, like in front of me, and it's looking so patchy. I'm scared. And guys, like the kick up, can you see? I'm gonna take that shade Untamed, and I'm just gonna pat it over the outer corner. Alright, I don't know what to do. I'm gonna take this Makeup Geek pointed crease brush, and I'm gonna dip into the shade Axis, taking off almost all of that. And I'm just gonna pat that right on this outer third. I'm gonna use that brush just to blend it up slightly as well. Alright, now we're starting to fucking see how this shit is going. You guys, that is so pigmented. I mean, like, that's good, but it really is too pigmented. Like, I'm just gonna be real with you guys. I'm going to dip into a single shadow now because I'm getting really scared that this is gonna fuck up. I'm gonna take Sugar Pill Taco, or Taco, and this is a matte, like, white shade, and I'm just gonna tuck this under the brow. A little bit of that shade Destiny, that more camo green. I think that's looking a little better, but you can still see it's not really blending that well. Oh my god. Alright, I honestly think I need to leave it and just move on to the other eye now. Go with silver glitter on the lid. This is Diamond Dust by Steeler. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Alright, so we're going dramatic tonight, apparently. I don't know if I should do winged liner. I feel like I should do winged liner. I feel like that winged liner just saved this entire eye. Once I put the lashes on, game over, fam. They're definitely not even. I don't give a fuck at this point, honestly. Oh, I'm so glad I did that wing. Fuck me up. I don't know how I managed to save my eyes. I'm pretty proud. I think we got this now. Also, Ariana's new song, God Is a Woman, just came out today. Can I just say I'm obsessed with her? When she comes out on tour next, I'm fucking going. I'm going. I don't give a fuck. I will take out a loan from the bank if I can't afford it. I don't even care. All right, lashes. Let's chuck Stella on. Stella, we're doing Stella. Alright guys, I'm now gonna pop on the other lash off camera and do my brows, and then I will be right back. So I actually saw Nikki Tutorials do this technique in, I can't remember what video it was, but it was a video. She mixed foundation with translucent loose powder, and I wanna give that a go, because in my mind, I'm thinking that if I do that, it's probably gonna stop the amount of creasing that I get. So I'm gonna give it a go. I'm gonna use L'Oreal Pro Glow in 208 and 201. I mixed these two together because this is quite yellow, this is quite neutral, too dark, too light, mixed together, gorge. So I'm gonna do equal parts of the foundations on like a little mixing thing. I think this is actually like a candle holder that I bought from like the convenience store for like $1. You wanna make sure that the color is right before you add in any powder, because it's gonna set really quickly. As you can see, that's very, very light. I just mixed in some of the Benefit bronzing drops. I love using this to like customize foundation colors. And then basically you wanna mix like 2 parts powder to 3 parts foundation. So I've got my RCMA No Color powder here. I'm literally just gonna like dunk some in. Use about that much powder. And then just using the back of that brush, mix it all in. So I'm gonna use a beauty blender. There are some parts where I can see like some little white specks from the powder not being like completely dissolved in, but honestly that's buffing away really, really easily, so like that's fine. I'm now going to conceal under my eyes using Shape Tape in light medium. This is very yellow, isn't it? Fuck. That is looking so jaundiced. Now I do want to just set under my eyes. So I'm gonna take some more translucent powder. I am going to liquid or cream highlight. I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Glow Mon Amour, like liquid highlighting drops. So I'm just going to give this a really good shake. I'm really liking my eyes, by the way. I think that glitter and that winged liner saved it. Oh hey. Guys, this eye was looking disgusting. I managed to save it with the winged liner. I was like, oh, I'm just gonna do some boy makeup, like natural, you know? Here I am with a fucking glitter cut crease double winged liner, see sis. Okay, I'm gonna go and keep filming. I'll call you back if you guys are still in the chat, otherwise I'll message you. Okay, bye. Okay, so as you just saw, I just baked, I blended out my liquid highlight. So, my cheeks are pretty much dry. Let's change it up. I'm gonna use the Too Faced, fuck, I can't even open this shit. I'm gonna use the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. Okay, so I'm gonna dip a little bit into that bronzer. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Blend it up into that liquid highlight a little bit. I think I'm gonna go warm on the cheeks because this just looks beautiful. And I'm just gonna kind of hit my nose with a bit of that bronzer as well. Not being too like specific, I just want some shape back to my nose. Also gonna just kind of chuck it on my jawline as well. All right, now I'm going to highlight. I want my highlight to be beaming tonight, so I'm gonna go in with a couple of different ones. I'm gonna start with Charabella Charlie's Glow. Oh my god, so pretty. Just pop some blush in between. That could look kind of gorge. I'm gonna take a Morphe Y4 brush and I'm gonna go in with some MAC Warm Soul blush. I haven't used this in so long and I used to use this almost 24/7 when I was working at MAC. Oh fuck, it just goes with every single look. Like, see how beautiful and warm that makes the entire cheek look. And then I'm gonna go back in with that NYX powder and then just veil and tone everything down. Like, I'm literally just dabbing a little bit of my brush into that powder. Yeah, I'm actually gonna do the same to my forehead as well because I think I put a little bit too much. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the lower lash line. I'm gonna grab this Stilazzi smudge brush, okay, that one there. And I'm gonna dip into the shade Destiny, which is this kind of khaki green. And I'm gonna smudge this under my lower lash line. Alright, I'm gonna go in with Boldly Bare Lip Pencil by MAC. This is the thing with asymmetrical lips. Like, the left side of my top lip is a lot higher than the right side, so I need to like overline this one even more. Going with this NARS gloss. This is the Cozumel Velvet Lip Glide. Whatever. Oh no, I wanted this to be lighter. Let me just try Bath by Anastasia. This usually never lets me down. Okay guys, so here is the finished look right here. I'm actually outfit repeating tonight. I know, a beauty guru that's outfit repeating. Anyway guys, I'm gonna go ahead and move into the vlog. Tanya is gonna be here in like 10 minutes. So I will see you guys soon. So it says pay here. Where, bitch? Where? Oh my god, I'm here with Courtney! Currently sitting down. I don't know if you guys can hear me. And it's starting in 5 minutes, I think.
How do you balance makeup life and mum life?
I like coffee. My kid is pretty good. I mean, I've really trained her to be the way that she is by just talking really nice to her and, you know. But no, the day that I'm not doing anything, I get really kind of sad, you know? So yeah, I can juggle everything, it's great.
Oh my god, I'm sweating.
Now, without further ado, I'm going to milk this out. I'm going to do Gretel Colleen for all of you.
Are we all ready? Are we recording? Are we good to go? Face Awards winner of 2018 is Courtney.
Anything you'd like to say, Courtney?
Bullshit! No, I have an instant like feeling of panic because I haven't ordered a passport yet. Mouth of the South is not going to take out the title.
You're going to LA. You're going to Los Angeles.
Because I'm shaking happy and I haven't eaten because my dress didn't allow for that. So yeah, guys, give the top 5 a round of applause because they're amazing.
So we just finished at the Face Awards.
I need nuggets.
Same, me. So we just finished. Oh, bye. Bye. I'm with the winner. She won.
Yay!
Okay, so we are off to dinner. It is currently like 9 o'clock.
And it's currently freezing.
And it's, oh fuck, it's cold. How fucking creepy does Luna Park look at night time? Is everything turned off? Right. See you, sis. How's it going? It is finally the end of the night. I literally just got in. We didn't even go for dinner, we just went and got Macca's. So the time is now 11:06 p.m. I've had this face on since about 2, so that means 8 hours? 10 hours, okay. So here is my face after 10 hours of wear. I have not touched anything up. Obviously, I'm so oily right now, and I've ripped my lashes off. I was like, we're done here. My lashes are done. I'm done with my lashes. And I realized that I never actually filmed an outro for this video, so I just want to say a huge thank you to you guys for watching this video, watching this vlog. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you guys did like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I did get to meet a bunch of followers and subscribers tonight, and it was so exciting and so fun. I know that you guys are seeing this quite late. If you're watching this, thank you so much for coming up to me and saying hey, I really appreciate it. And yeah, I look like a mess. I'm gonna go take off this face and go to bed because I'm exhausted. I will see you all in a minute. Oh, but actually before you go, click the next video. Like I'll just wait here. I'll actually powder my fucking face while I wait for you to click over the next video. If you haven't clicked over by this point, like what are you doing, huh? What are you doing? Come on, it's a Saturday night, you got nothing else to do, just click the next video. Come on, sweetie. Have you clicked it? You haven't clicked it yet, because you're still watching. What are you doing? Click the next video. Come on, it's over my face. It's really easy. Just like, you can just like click it. You can subscribe here. Like, just, you know, just do it, hun. Okay, bye.